Big changes are coming to the Wales and Borders rail timetable from the 17th of May. North Wales will see one of the most significant upgrades in a generation, thanks to Network North Wales, whilst West Wales will see extra trains for the busy summer period. We're boosting services on the North Wales coast by 50%, whilst also introducing a new, simpler hourly timetable, so planning your journey is now easier than ever. Trains from Manchester Airport will now run directly to Holyhead, improving connections to the northwest of England and for ferry links to Ireland. Liverpool to Chester services will now run to Llandudno, opening up new direct journeys. Wrexham, Chester and Chester to Crewe will become one through service, and Birmingham services will now run to Llandudno Junction. These changes also help us prepare for the introduction of pay-as-you-go to 15 stations in North Wales, bringing the same tap-in, tap-out convenience already experienced in South East Wales. Some direct journeys and calling patterns are changing, so be sure to check your journey before you travel at tfw.wales.